Let us answer this JAM first question. So JAM student, pay attention to this question because JAM usually repeat their first question. You may come across it in your exam, so pay attention to this. A traveling wave of amplitude 0.8 meter has a frequency of 16 Hz and wave speed of 20 meter per second. Calculate the wave number of the wave. So a traveling wave has amplitude A equals to 0.8 meter and frequency F of 16 Hz, and the wave has speed of 20 meter per second. Calculate the wave number K. Calculate the wave number K. So wave number is given by this. K equals to 2 pi over lambda. So from what we have here, we don't have lambda. So let us find lambda and then come back and get the wave number. So we can use the relationship of speed equals to frequency times lambda and get lambda. So let me make it subject of the formula by dividing both sides by frequency. So frequency cancel frequency, therefore wavelength equals to velocity over frequency. So velocity is 20 divided by frequency 16. So 20 divided by 16 is 1.25 meter. So now we have lambda, we can find wave number. So let's go ahead and find it. Wave number K equals to 2 pi over lambda, which is also equals to 2 times the value of phi is constant 3.142 divided by wavelength lambda, we got it 1.25. So now if you press your calculator, 2 multiplied by 3.142 divided by 1.25, you will get 5.03. So this is how to calculate the wave number of the wave. So if you enjoy this video, kindly follow me and share this video. And I have uploaded most of my video in my YouTube. So the link of my YouTube is there in my profile. So you can go there and watch most of my video. Thank you for watching. Hush.